In this video, I'll walk you through the process of how to complete an assessment mode simulation in the medical office simulation software in MindTap. Assessment mode simulations use the same scenarios that are presented in the training mode simulations, but are designed to test your ability to perform the tasks within the PM EMR without the use of hints or other supplementary learning features. In the assessment mode, you are not required to complete a step correctly in order to advance to the next step. Instead, the software will assess whether or not you've completed the step correctly and will advance you to the next step, correcting any of the mistakes that you might have made. This means that if you have incorrectly entered text into a field, that text will be corrected on any subsequent screens on which it appears in the activity. Advanced simulations mirror the real world more closely with even less prescriptive instructions. As such, you must complete the tasks with less guidance in the task panel. You will use your understanding of PM EMR software as well as critical thinking skills to complete these simulations. Advanced simulations are identifiable by the word advanced in the activity title. You can find them within certain training and assessment folders in MindTap. Let's take a look at one of these assignments. When the simulation first opens, you will be presented with a set of instructions. Please read them very carefully. Notice you still have a task panel on the right that gives you step-by-step instructions, provides you with source documents, a submit button, a calculator, time spent in the activity, and the ability to save your work and return to it at a later date. Features such as hints, FYIs, and alerts are no longer available. To complete the assignment, follow the steps in the task panel. With this particular source document, I can listen to audio.
Mrs. Alvarez, I'd like to ask you a few questions before the doctor sees you.
As well as read the transcript. When you have completed all of the steps of the activity, click Submit. Assessment simulations are auto-graded. The objective of assessment simulations is to validate your understanding of the EMR software and how to use it successfully to complete the task at hand. For each step in the activity, you are given either 1 or 3 attempts. You are given 1 attempt when the step does not need to be completed correctly to proceed. You are given 3 attempts when you must perform the step correctly to proceed through the activity without confusion. To receive credit for a step, all actions within the step must be performed correctly. If any action is performed incorrectly, no credit will be given for the step. At the end of each assessment simulation, you'll receive a summary report with details of every action you performed and the accuracy of that action. This will help you pinpoint and correct any errors that you made and celebrate all of the actions that you performed correctly. This summary report is also automatically sent to your instructor so they can review your work as well. Notice there is a playback feature available, so wherever that you made a mistake, you can see exactly what you did wrong. You can review your scores at any time by clicking on the Progress app in the app dock. You can review your summary report by clicking on the link and click View. And Detailed Review.